Hi everybody and welcome back to Hard Juice Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily use all controls and gestures on your TCL MoveAudio S200. So, to use our controls and gestures, at first we have to wear them. So, if you are wearing them right now, then if you double tap the touch sensor, the music will be paused and unpaused. If you triple tap on the right one, the music will go forward, and if you triple tap the left touch sensor, the music will go backward, one song of course. Now let's try. Now I am tapping twice on the touch sensor. Now I'm triple tapping the left one, and now I'm triple tapping the right one. Wait a moment. As you can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.